Award number 8, Manufacturing and Advanced Materials. We move into the award for Outstanding International Success in Manufacturing, Engineering or Advanced Materials Development, and includes Advanced Manufacturing and Materials Technology, Engineering, Design and Production. This category is sponsored by Australian Made Campaign Limited, who have been a program sponsor for 25 years now.
Como Engineers. Como Engineers specialises in the supply of modular gold elution plants tailored to the mining industry. I&D Technology. I&D Technology delivers world-leading predictive fault detection solutions for power utilities, helping prevent wildfires and outages. Lightning Protection International. Lightning Protection International delivers cutting-edge lightning, surge and earthing and bonding solutions that protect people, assets and critical infrastructure. Liquid Instruments. Liquid Instruments provide multiple laboratory instruments into a single software-driven device, making testing and experimentation more efficient and cost-effective. NovaFast. NovaFast designs and manufactures world-class composite pipes, tanks, vessels and materials for major infrastructure projects. PWR Advanced Cooling Technology. PWR Advanced Cooling Technology is a global supplier of advanced cooling products. PWR fuels innovation in motorsports, aerospace and defence. Viper WRL. Viper WRL manufactures world-leading wire rope lubrication systems, extending rope life by up to 300%.
Good evening, everyone. How good's tonight? It's an excellent room to be in, and all of the finalists, congratulations, because I've been sitting here listening to descriptions of your companies and your businesses, and I've been blown away, as have most of us in the room. So congratulations on being a finalist as well. The Australian Made Campaign Limited is proud to sponsor the Manufacturing and Advanced Materials category of the Australian Export Awards, a partnership, as you've heard already, we've had for nearly, well, over 25 years. For multiple decades, this award has celebrated innovation, resilience and world-class capability of Australian manufacturers. At AMCL, we see every day how businesses carrying our green and gold kangaroo logo take Australia's reputation for quality, ingenuity to the world. Tonight's finalists exemplify that. On behalf of Australian Made team, I want to acknowledge the extraordinary effort it takes to compete and succeed on the global stage. Your achievements strengthen our economy, create local jobs, and showcase the very best of Australian know-how. It's an honour to recognise your contribution tonight. Now, this year's winner of the Manufacturing and Advanced Materials category is, drum roll please, PWR Advanced Cooling and Technology.
Well, thank you very much, and on behalf of PWR and with PWR's founder and chairman Keith Wheel, I humbly accept this award on behalf of the 400 staff we have in South East Queensland. We invest in latest manufacturing technology, but it is truly people that make PWR special. You know, their willingness to innovate and to take on challenges is what sets us apart. The business has grown from motorsport origins to a point that we proudly call 11 of 11 Formula One teams our customers, using our products now and going into the 2026 season. We're now taking our technology and our innovation to aerospace and defence, where that same commitment to pushing boundaries and taking on the difficult challenges is separating us from our competition globally as well. I'd like to thank Trade and Investment Queensland and Austrade for their continued support of PWR, where you can get Formula One technology for your road car by shopping Australian.